Good morning, 369. And how can we get there? How can we get to 3, 6, and 9? Now, the major way to get to 3, 6, and 9, especially 9, is to multiply. Now, when you multiply 9 times 2, you will get to a total of 18. When you multiply 9 times 3, you will get to 27. When you multiply 9 times 4, 9 times 5, you will get to 45. When you multiply 9 times 6, it equals to 54. When you get 9 times 7, it'll give you 63. When you get 9 times 8, it'll give you 72. And when you get 9 times 9, it'll give you 81. So 9 will make the spectrum every single time. With 6, you need 147 to get 6, or you need 2 times 3 and 8 times 3. The cycle of the mass will give you 66 or 624, 144 total. 6 and 4 is 1, 2 is 1, 21. 2 and 8 is 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 81. 81 recreates Venus. 21 creates the Father. Now in this scenario, okay, we're not going to use 147 in any of these because one is the spirit, the other one is the gateway, the other one is the pass. It creates what 2, 4, 6, 8 creates is this, and 4 is your pass. 2 and 6, 5, 2, 5, and 8. You notice 2, 5, and 8 come together, straight line up and down. 3, 6, and 9 is a straight line. 1, 4, and 7 is a straight line. 1, 1, 1 creates 6, 6, 6. 1 between 7, 3 between 9, 2 between 8. You come down to the last one, 8, 15, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27 equals 9, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28 equals 1, 9 and 1, 9 and 1, 8 and 1. Excuse me, this one is 2 and 1, made a mistake. And I do make mistakes, so please double check, which is not fair, right? This is 2 and 1, this is 8 and 1. The scenario over here, this will be 3 and 6. This will be 36. Total, the total over here will be 6, 12, 11, 12, 13. Total over here will be 63, and here it'll be 9, 9, 9, 18, 99, 36, 63, 99, 81, 21, 91, 639, 369, 639, 111, 8 and 9, 17, 19 becomes 1 and 3. 13 is the total here on the bottom when you add them up. These are ways to get to where you want to go. Now in the top terminal, I saw on I put my video on hold. I think I was looking for this page. I'm not sure at what point I put it on hold. I'm going to go back. The total number of squares here is 156, right? That's the link to connect the spirit to the red sun, 54 and 56. 56 represents 3, 15 represents Mars, 66 is the separation, 11, 1, and 2 represent Father. 6 by 5 is 30 creation, and 11 equals 41 DNA. Forget about the 1, because the 1 won't multiply. Don't include in that situation. The reverse of 56 is 21, 54, 87, spirit matrix, and the gateway. Here's the larger size that I showed. I'm not sure if I showed the whole thing. This is 26 by 24, the cat. This one is 13 by 12. If that's 20, 25, 15, right? A square, one single square, when it's made bigger from this to this, okay, instead of having one square, you'll have 4 squares. So that's a 3 to 1, 156, 624, 624 divided by 156 equals to 4. So we have the exact ratio, 1 and 4. 1 and 4, always 1 and 4. So now we have a total, okay, of 296 because these over here, right? These over here, and if you take a look, this design over here shows me, I see a wolf. But anyways, this over here will take up 4. So these two blocks, 72 and 128. 128 inside 128 times 3 times 4 equals to 512 memory. Bring it down. Sorry, these are not right figures. This should be 4 and this should be 4. Okay. This should be 68. 72 reduces to 68 because of what's shared. 72. 5 times 72 is 360 for the 360 degrees of the turn, probably because of the connecting spirit or the eye through the moon. This area over here is a 25 area. 25 and 296 is 321. 300, if you count both of them, that would be the bowling score, right? And then you stop, no extra points in the 10th frame. So now we pick up the total of this, 26 and 24. This is 26 by 24. 26, 9 lives, 24, 9 lives of the cat. 26, the dog queen, connecting skies. You see the way we connect skies? There's a sheet inside of here, right? If I would fold both of these down, this one would fold all the way in and take up 1, 2, 3, and it would take up 1, 2, 3. This, if I fold it all the way in, right, it'll take up all the way down to here if I fold it in. And it might get folded in at some point. Take this and fold it all the way down or fold this all the way up. But let's not talk about that. So we have the total area space of 624. Now we can use that 6 days a week times 24. We can use 6 and 2 is 8 and 4 Pluto. We can go 6 and 6 to split the gematria scale of the two sides. We have 60, we have 80 on each side, 6 and 8, splitting of the mind. Here we have 100. 100, 172, 272, 282, 292, 300. That is your total. Take away the 4 here, add on the 25 here, and then the rest of the space that surrounds it. So this is the total of the connecting bricks. 5 by 5, 4 by 4, 3 by 3. Raphael. The larger size times 4. Smaller size times 1. This is the perfect ratio. You can't do it any different than this because this is perfect squares. The other one that I want to show you that where I got this from is right here. This is where the equation comes from. 16, 9, and 25. Right? 16, 9, and 25. And I'm going to put my book right next to it. Let me get this book right next to it. This is what they're showing. Okay, they're leaning it. I did not lean it. This changes my angle. I will do one that I lean on it, but right now I wanted to show you what the perfect angle was by this, that they have to go into each other. Now when I lean this, everything will change and I'm not going to get the same way to calculate. So anyways, that's where I got the idea of doing what I did. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.